Alright, welcome along to Joe Reviews. Do you love protein treats, but you're bored of the same old protein bars? Carry on watching, I've got a treat for you. Hiya, welcome along to Joe Reviews. And did you answer my question at the start? Are you bored of the same old protein treats? If you are, I've got the box for you. And it's right here. So I was mooching about on the internet, as you do, and I come across this advert. And what drew me into it was the bright colours of the advert. I'll just show you here. And I was like, ooh, what's that? And then I saw the protein bars, protein drinks. And I was like, ooh, what is this? And I'll tell you what it is. It's a company called FITREAT. And it's a protein subscription box. So I was like, hey up, I want to see what this is all about. So I ordered a box. They do a couple of different subscriptions, but I'll go into that in a sec. Anyway, here's the box. Here it is. Your protein packed box is here. So I clicked on the website and this is what it asked me. It asked me my name. So I was like, bang, that's my name. Then it said, what's my goal? To bulk or to trim down, cut. So I put bulk because I like the high protein snacks because, you know, they've got a bit more protein in them. They're really tasty and they fill me up when I've been to the gym or I've had a good run or cycle. So I clicked on that. Then it said, what's my favourite brands? And it had a whole list of brands. So there was like Muscle Mousse on there. There was Grenade. There was Mars, Snickers. So I was like, yeah, clicked all the ones I liked. Then it said, choose my snacks. So I was like, ooh. And it said protein bar box or protein mixed box. So I went for the protein mixed box because it looked like it come with the drinks as well. And I thought, I do like a protein drink. So I bossed on there. Then it asked, what subscription do I want? And there was a 12-month subscription for $21.99, a 6-month subscription for $23.99. Then there was a rolling plan for $25.99. Now, I did the $25.99 one because I've never had one before and I thought, right, I'm going to try it out. Anyway, it's free delivery as well. So I've paid $25.99 and I've got this box here and it came free delivery. Delivery was by Royal Mail. Came really quick, to be fair, couple of days. Really good, fast deliveries. That was good. Anyway, let's get into this box. I picked the rolling plan for $25.99 and I got the mixed protein box. So let's get myself a knife. I've got my knife. Get into this box then. I'm pretty excited, to be fair. I do love a protein treat. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. So there you go. Just cut the seal there. Something always very reassuring about cutting a seal on a box. Anyway, let's see. Oh, bit of packing's come out there. What's going on? Ooh. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa. And we've got a little leaflet here. We've got a little picture of the new Grenade Oreo bar on here. And I've been on the website and what they do is they have a protein of the month, I believe. Each monthly box, you always get a brand new product that's just come out. And this Grenade Oreo bar has been all over the socials. There's a Turkish guy I work with called Eunice. Absolutely loves these bars. And because he's Turkish, you know he's not saving face. You know it is a good bar. So I'm excited to try that. And it should be in this box. So let's have a look what we get. Anyway, so first up, we've got UFIT Crunchers Popped Protein Crisps. So there you go. UFIT. I do like UFIT. The only thing I've had from UFIT is the white chocolate protein drink and the strawberry protein drink. And they were amazing. So I'm excited to try them. What have we got here? We've got Novo 10% protein crisps barbecue flavour. There you go. Also 65% less fat. And the pops not fried, low in sugar. So pretty good. There you go. We got them. We've got a drink. We've got a drink. Look at this. Oh, I've never seen this before. Upbeat protein hydration. Oh, I've never seen that before. So protein and hydration from work to workout. Clear whey isolate. So like it's just a clear whey drink. Vitamin B. It's containing BCAAs. Okay, so it's got 3,000 micrograms of BCAAs. I'm guessing it's micrograms. Wow, and it's got 10 grams of protein. So that's pretty good to drink. Mixed berry. Looks quite cool, that. Good, honest, popped protein crisps. Sweet barbecue. That's my third pack of little crispies there. So if you like your crisps, definitely a good box, yeah? Oh, we've got a U-Fit drink. Oh, yes. Joe does like a U-Fit drink. And I've not tried the fudge brownie flavour. So I'm excited to try that because Joe does like a chocolate fudge. I love a chocolate fudge. So I'll definitely be getting that. That's 25 grams of protein. Or I love the little... What do you call these? What does Razza C call these? Sausages? No, he doesn't call them. I can't think what you call them now. I don't know. But I'm going to keep them and throw them at my fiance because I think it'll be funny. So we've got something here. Protein flapjacks, lemon and poppy seed. I've never had them before. Wow, they look pretty cool. And 18 grams of protein, so that's pretty decent. Let's dig. I love digging in here. It's awesome. Oh, we've got so much in here. Honestly, it's brilliant. Oh my God. They do the complete... hang on a minute. Vanilla, naturally flavoured cookies. I thought these were custard creams. I think they're custard creams with protein. If they are, that's amazing. Wow. Custard creams with protein. That's what I'm calling them. But they're called complete creamies. Lenny and Harry's. The complete creamies. 15 grams of protein there. So that's pretty decent. We've got some porridge. I do like a porridge. And I'm a bit of a porridge snob. I always have the ready break because I like my porridge good. And I'll be honest, I'm glad I've got some protein porridge because before I go to the gym, I've been having some porridge and some bananas before I go, and it's just not been filling me up. So I'm thinking a porridge protein might be the trick for me. So that is good. I'm happy with that as well. I'm happy with everything at the minute. It's really good. Oh, Warrior. Now, I know about Warrior. Warrior's a good company. I've never had the food, though. I've had a few of the pre-workouts and stuff years ago. And this is a protein flapjack, cookies and cream. Look at that. That looks like an Oreo. That looks like an Oreo. That's pretty cool. How much protein have we got? It just says high in protein. I'm sure it says it somewhere, but I can't see it. But that's cool. That's cool. Wow, we've got so much in here. This is really cool. We've got another Warrior Crunch Bar. And that is a... What flavour is that? I can't see. Looks like... Oh. White chocolate mocha flavour. That's a different kind of flavour. So that'll be an interesting one to try. Oh, we've got a fuel fill. Oh, white chocolate and cookie dough. Wow, that'd be pretty amazing. I'm excited to try that. That is exciting. That is exciting. I'm excited to try that one. I'm excited to try that. High in protein. Doesn't give the exact amount there, but excited to try that. We've got a grenade bar. Yes, we've got a grenade bar. Peanut and jelly flavour. I love this flavour. This is an absolutely unbelievable flavour. Grenade, high protein. And these are good to get in here, grenade bars, because you can pay £2.75, £3 a bar in the shops for these, you know. You can pay a fair bit of dollar for one of these. Honestly, these are not cheap. No protein snacks are cheap. And we've got the hero of the pack, the highly anticipated grenade. I don't even know what it's called. Just the grenade Oreo one. That was a bit of a bad build-up, wasn't it? Grenade Oreo. Everyone's been raving about this. Like I said before, my Turkish friends said they're amazing. So, yeah, I'm excited to try this one as well. I'll try this one now, actually. Anyway, that's quite a lot of gear in that box. That is really good. And before I try this, I just want to thank Catherine, the owner, because she's kindly given me a discount code for you to use, and you can use this discount code on your 6-month or your 12-month boxes, and the code is Joe10 at double. And I'll just put it there for you. I'll put it in the description, and I'll link the website as well. But honestly, just looking at what I've got in this one box, I think I probably will subscribe, because I do go through a lot of protein snacks and I do spend a fortune. Like literally just going to the shop. I tell you what I'm really going for at the minute is Aldi's Pro Milk. I'm just like spending 5-6 quid every 4 or 5 days just on Pro Milk because I'm addicted to it. So I think I will save some money. So what I thought I'd do is I'll just count how many products we've got and how much it came to, and just see. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we got 13 snacks there, and it came to £25.99. So how much is that per snack? So you're talking about £1.99 per snack, and that is pretty good, because these are about £2 or £3. So you've got these at like buy one get one free really on the grenade bars. So that's pretty decent, and it's free delivery. So it's convenient because it's being sent to your door. It's free delivery, and you're getting the newest snacks from the coolest companies. What can go wrong? Really cool. Anyway, let's crack this grenade bar open and let's see if it is as good as everyone's saying. 21 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar. Honestly, that is a really good tasting protein bar. To be fair, pretty much all grenade flavour protein bars are pretty damn awesome, and that is a good one. That is a really good one. So there you go. Go and check them out. Just Google FITREAT Wanty. Yeah, really cool protein subscription company. I'm pretty impressed. I've been excited to get this box open and get the video out here. It is awesome. I do like it, and I can easily believe that I spend well over at least £30 a month on protein. So yeah, don't forget to use the discount code. It's in the description. The links to the website are in the description. Cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Smash the likes. Thank you. Subscribe. I'll catch you lot on the next video. See you later.